Happy New Year. Thank you very much for your patience as I have been off screen. Some of you may have liked that, but I am back after experiencing a couple of family tragedies, so thank you so much for bearing with me. Over the Christmas break and the return to the new year, I'm really excited to have been named by ISC as one of the top 20 global Edruptors across the world. So thank you very much for that. There is a link to a blog post down below. Now we have 5 exciting things coming up for you. First off, this Saturday, we have Richard from Careerships here in Dubai from the UK, someone that we've worked with for quite a long time. He will help you to take your next career steps. So if you're thinking about a change of direction, if you're thinking about your new next goal, he's someone to come and talk to free of charge on Saturday, link below or maybe above. We have 4 other exciting things coming your way. So Optimus, MENA are here in February, 2-day workshop event and conferencing on the Wednesday and the Thursday. Now on the Friday, we've got our inclusion and wellbeing network meeting here in the centre, where many of our partners are going to be joining us to talk about all of their products. So Friday, again, link below for all of the information. And then on Saturday, are you in Qatar? If you are in Qatar, you are a head of inclusion or a senior leader responsible for inclusion, wellbeing, gifted and talented or English language, we have a conference for you in Qatar on the Saturday. We will see you then. Thank you very much to Gems for hosting us and to Glenn for helping put the programme together. Then we would also like to bring your attention to something else that's very exciting. Well, 2 things very exciting. So Cognisul is one of our partners that have worked with us on mental health first aid training. Now this is something really dear to my heart, especially over the winter break. Mental health must not be taken for granted. Now Cognisul have put together a 27-hour training course on mental health first aid. What can we do to support people who are going through those crises? 27 hours of online self-directed learning, which gives you a certificate from the UK for 2,500 dirhams. Highly worth it. If you are in a larger group, if you've got 10 people, that cost comes down to 2,000. Please, if you are working with people struggling with their mental health, please sign up now. Careerships, Optimus, Partners Day and Network Day here, Qatar and Cognisul Mental Health. I look forward to spending more time with you over this year, and I hope your year has gotten off to a great start. Thank you.